All right, let's talk about kids and babies. They grow super fast. So what do you do with all the clothes and the toys that they outgrow? If you're planning on having more children, you may want to hang on to those, or if you've got younger siblings, you need to hold on to the clothes for. So what we recommend is that you get bins and you organize it and label it. Make sure you label it with the gender and the size of the clothing, and or if with toys, the age appropriateness of the toy. So like infant toys, toddler toys, whatever, and label them and then put them up in the attic, out in the garage or the shed, and stack them appropriate to the age in order, so that when you have the next age come up, you just go out, you grab the bin, bring it inside, and voila, you've got a whole wardrobe for the next child.